Hi guys, today I will show you how you can add passes to your voiceover within Murf.ai. So once you're in your dashboard, tap on Create Project right here. Then give your project a title. Let's do my first project. Tap on Start Blank, Audio and Create Project. Let it load. And right here you can paste the text that you want that the voiceover is going to say. So for example, let's do hello, this is a test by the virtual, etc, etc. So let's generate it. So now I did not add any passes. Let's preview.
Hello, this is a test by How to Virtual. Please subscribe to the channel since it helps me a lot. It is much appreciated. Thank you.
So if you want to add a pass, you can see add a pass. So move your cursor right here, click it and tap on add pass. Now you have different passes, extra weak, medium, strong and extra strong. So let's add a extra weak pass right here and also an extra weak pass right here, and let's add a weak pass right here. So you can add unlimited passes and you can just play around with it. So now tap again on generate audio and wait a bit. Now preview it.
Hello, this is a test by How to Virtual. Please subscribe to the channel since it helps me a lot. It is much appreciated. Thank you.
So if you want to change it, you can change it by deleting this pass, for example, and add a strong pass. And again, regenerate it and preview it since you're satisfied with your voiceover.
Hello, this is a test by How to Virtual. Please subscribe to the channel since it helps me a lot. It is much appreciated. Thank you.
So this is a bit too long, of course, but you can just play around with it. So once you're satisfied, you can export it right here. If you have a free account, you need to upgrade. I have a link in the comments and description for to create a Murf account. So you can tap on that if you want to. So if this helped you, if this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.